Asuntoskäyttöä Tukholm.
Yeah, today it's the 11th of September 2023. Here's Cygnaeuksenkatu 7, but it's also Cygnaeuksenkatu 8. It's the same building here. Let's take a speed. It has 5 staircases. It's one of the 5 ones. And they have all been modernized. By Pääkaupunkiseudun Hissikeskus was the evergreen kind, but 2007 it was modernized.
2016.
Okay. Yeah, here. It was Grabbers originally. The number is F251. But I'm not sure when it was built. Was it 1929 or at 30?
I don't know.
Okay, check it later. Sorry.
It shouldn't be for 3 persons.
No, it should be for 2 persons.
Yeah.
We expected this year in 2023, and it's here in the Helsinki in Finland.
Niissä tittaakin vai pitää, että meitä nyt Pääkaupunkiseudun Hissikeskus.
I'll take this time for a second ride.
Yeah.
Because I don't like the machine so much.
Same.
Yeah. The ones are not bad, but the machine is. The machine was not so good.
Yeah. That's